All right, so next it's time to do our next layer of shadows. So we're gonna make a new layer. We are going to call this layer darker shadows. You can call it whatever you want. And we're going to keep this layer on normal so that we can continue to begin to paint over our line art. And we are going to start to paint in our shadows. Exactly like what it says. So, actually, you know what? Let's not do this yet. Let's make this one multiply, actually. I changed my mind. And just gonna use a gray here. And we're going to do exactly what it says. We're gonna come in here and start to darken some of these shadows up. So, these cast shadow spots where it's really going to go all the way dark, we are going to really begin to lighten up here. So like behind this claw here. Some of these individual wrinkles, folds of fat, we're going to start to darken up. Alright, and then lastly, let's go ahead and get a little bit of these, the log here. I just want to break it up with a little bit more texture and shadow. Alright, here we go. I'm just doing one last look over everything. See if there is anything we missed that we want to try and get really quick. You can see when we flip our line art on and off, we can see kind of how it's starting to come together. I'm going to get the eyes here of these little guys and the mouth. All right, and there we go. That is it for this lecture. I will see you guys in the next one.